The new fuel straight die grinder had enough power to get the job done on everything that we do around here.
M12 fuel straight die grinder definitely had more power than my pneumatic.
At low RPMs, high RPMs, had a lot of power.
The cutting capability was really nice. Speed never differed, tool never bound up on me. A lot more controllable than the pneumatic tools.
It's unique to have the 3 speeds on the die grinder for aluminum access for the softer metal, and then when you run it with steel, you have a higher RPM.
The pneumatic stuff, the consistency is not there. Having the set modes just made my life a lot easier using it.
Lighter, it's nice and small, versus the cord ones are big and bulky. I don't have to worry about the cords on the ground.
It eliminates having an air hose. You just put the tool up there and start working.
With the new fuel straight die grinder, I can get the job done efficiently and better. It's cordless. There's no noise hardly at all.
I would definitely replace my pneumatics with the M12 fuel straight die grinder. Milwaukee has definitely stepped up their game.